Okay, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create an rScript within RStudio. You do that by going to the File menu here in the top left, then New File, and then rScript, and that creates a text editing window up here in the top left hand quarter of the screen. This is where we'll write our R commands and then save them. But before we do that, it's good practice to have some header lines which indicate the author, the title of the file, a description of what it does, and the date, and so on. And a way to do that might be to put some hashes in like this. Hashes, remember, indicate a comment in R, so we'll do that. Then we'll have a title line, so my file. Then we'll have a description, a short description of what this file is, what it does. Then we'll have the author's name. So I'll put mine in for now. And often it's good practice, or it's useful to have some kind of contact information, which usually means an email. And then we'll round this all off with the date. And there you are. So a header of that kind of thing would be very handy to have at the top of any of your R scripts. And once you've got that, you can save it. So we'll save ours and give it a sensible name. Well, I will give it this sort of name to start with, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. And there you are. That's all there is to it.